Hey y'all, we are in the Gila National Forest and we are going to the Gila cliff dwellings today.
I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corn Dog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram ProMaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers. So, when we were at the Gila
Cliff dwellings.
So when we were at the Gila cliff dwellings.
Is that a tongue
Yeah,
twister?
little
We
tongue
can't
twister.
talk anyway.
I'm talking into the mic. So when we were at the Gila cliff dwellings, little information center, one of the volunteers told us that there is a hot springs here, which we knew there were hot springs in the area, but we didn't really know how close they were. So off of the trail 157, I think it's the Middle Fork Trail 157, about a half a mile in or somewhere around that, is a hot spring. So we are heading there. It is 65 degrees today, so it feels good out, sun's out, but we got cold weather coming. So do it while it's warm. What do you think?
I said sun's out, guns out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think today is a beautiful day. We almost let the wind advisory keep us from doing some stuff, and I'm glad we didn't because, yeah, it's windy, but I think with all the wind that we've dealt with over the last couple months, this is nothing. Sky is beautiful blue, the sun is shining.
Yowza, it's chilly. Yowza. I'm getting used to it now.
Yeah, I will admit that was a little chilly.
A little bit.
A little bit. Now, something I was just thinking, if we were just traveling on vacation, we probably wouldn't have brought wetsuits or, you know, swim trunks or any of that kind of stuff, you know, maybe even flip-flops. I don't think I would have normally brought. But when you live in your house and you travel with everything with you, you kind of got everything at your disposal. So definitely one perk to van life, right? We've got towels, we've got soap, we got everything. But we're not bringing soaps to the hot springs, but wouldn't that be fun? Little bubble bath. Oh yeah. Not sure if you heard that, but Chris was saying we took showers yesterday.
We're already pretty clean.
So we are clean. We won't get the...
this on a day that we need a shower.
Yeah, this would have been a good shower day. And I'm hoping if the water's good and hot and we soak our feet for a while, we'll get a little pedicure, I guess, right? All right, so this is crossing number 2. I don't know if the water is going to be any warmer. Doubt it.
It's not warmer.
Not warmer, huh?
It's a little steeper. And it's shorter.
So here we have the hot spigot right here coming out.
It's just kind of like, this one's like bathwater.
Colder out
It's
there.
cold right here.
So the water was probably 110, sometimes 120. It got warm in spots here at this pool. But we spent most of our time. There's a little pool over here by the creek. And we were getting, actually I think, hotter water over here. We had to kind of keep blending some of the cold water just to make it comfortable for us. So we got in this little pool. Wasn't as deep as that other one we just showed you. So there's a little stream that feeds the pool, but water is also seeping just through the rocking spots, and every once in a while you'd get a little hot spot and you feel it. So guys, if you're in the area and you want something just totally unique, and the beauty of this spot, absolutely no sulfur smell. There's no smell at all. It's just good hot water. As you can see from the sign, we are doing the Little Bear Trail, which is going to take us to a slot canyon. So hope to be a good hike. Seems pretty easy. Total mileage is 4 miles in, 4 miles out, and we'll take you along. We've been doubting ourselves if we're coming the right way and what kind of slot we're going to see, but I think we're getting close. This is starting to look really good. A nice little wash over here to the right. Somebody's little hiding spot. So, thanks for following us on our hike. There's nothing like finishing a hike and ending in snow. We get back and we've got snow coming in. They were predicting it, either rain or snow today, and they were kind of doubtful that either were going to happen, but we are definitely getting snow. We are middle of February. I am wearing short sleeve shirt. I'm okay though. But if you do hike the Little Bear Canyon Trail, highly, highly, highly recommend it. One of the hidden gems here in Gila. As you'll see from the video, if you come to do the hike, we really weren't sure. We never saw a video of what it was going to look like, and there was a couple of spots we were thinking about maybe turning around, thinking that that was all there was to the hike, but we kept going, and you'll actually get to the river, and you'll see that probably in the video too. Unbelievable scenery. Elevation climbs are pretty good, up and down. It's, I think, 8 miles round trip. Our knees are a little sore, but yeah, it's snowing. So peaceful though. It's been a while since we've had some snow. I think our last snow was in Sydney, Montana when we did the beet harvest this past year, which we're also going to be doing again. We're signed up and ready. And there goes Brutus running. He is having fun times. We did run across some people, some guys on horses coming down. So if you are into that, definitely come up here and take your horses on the trail. They've got some corrals here, water troughs, bring water. When we were going up, it was pretty warm. And I'm thinking, man, I couldn't do this in the summertime. So definitely bring water, bring some snacks. Try to take a lunch and maybe do a lunch at the spot that we turned around at, which was where you saw the little time-lapse shot. Hopefully that turns out good. We'll see what that looks like when I get it all loaded up. So guys, thanks again for watching. Enjoy the snow. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corndog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.